here. So I gotta go back to the right 1 inch. Now we still have to go. Elevation looks good. Move it to the left. So, one, two. So I was aiming right here, and my point of impact is down here. Same deal with the red dot. I'm aiming here, my point of impact is down here. So, go road up. $66. Perfect shot. So 136. Perfect shot. Right there. 151. Good. Okay. 140. Right on the edge. I have my dot right about here. Trigger freeze. 218. Yeah. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think they're all in there. So 136. I tried slowing it down, but I was too slow on my transition. I broke the line, but I brought it up right here, and I was really slow bringing it to the right. All right. 139. Very slow. Very slow. It was a 396 for 10 shots. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I dropped one. Actually, I dropped two, so there's only 8 in there. Okay. So, 396. I thought I counted 9. Much better. Much better. So, drop one low and right, low and left. Total time was a 703. First shot was a 161. So, right there. All right. See what else we can do. Oh, 5 seconds flat. First shot was a 128. So we're going to do two in that center left one, and then we're going to do one on the far end. Okay. So 423. That safety is so hard to disengage. Starting right here, bringing it off. Yeah, that safety is one of the biggest flaws, the safety and the trigger. Oh, that's a nice shooting gun. Doesn't like these ETS mags. 98, 69, 73, 81. 5 good shots. Oh, that really did not go as planned. Rifle was fine. Pistol, I chucked this one up high. I was scrambling. I did not have good discipline. I pulled one low and left. So, let's try it again. I think I chucked this one right here with the rifle. Or maybe with the pistol, I don't know. Huh. Okie doke. Alright. I mean, we're keeping them in there. Shot was a 99. C6, 90, 63. Huh. So I'm aiming at this with the rifle. I'm aiming at this side with the pistol. Definitely the rifle's keeping a better group faster. The one thing I've noticed though is that with this setup, I want to instinctively go for the ACOG even though I know the red dot's going to be a little bit faster. The red dot's faster, but for some reason, because of the way that the rifle's set up, I naturally want to go straight for the ACOG, and that right there is really what's screwing me up on this drill. So for my second 5 shots, I end up using the ACOG. I'm aiming somewhere up here. But it doesn't really make much of a difference as long as you're still getting your sight picture and you're still putting rounds where you want them. So this time, I used this section for the pistol, and I continued using this for the rifle. So yeah, rifle is definitely a lot faster and more effective than a pistol, but still, pistol's just, it's too darn convenient. Yeah. Meow.